Hi there, just a quick video showing how to read data into RStudio from a quiz. So this is quiz A2. So a reminder that these are randomized, so the questions you have might appear slightly differently and in a different order. You can see here for me, I've got quiz question 3 here. It's asking me to download a data file and then use ggplot to make a box plot and figure out what the upper quartile is. So how do I do this? Well, I'm going to right click on the link there and save link as. And then I'm going to put it somewhere that I know where it is. So in this case, perhaps I'm going to add a new folder, which is going to be quiz data. Okay, and then I'm going to save it there. Then I'm going to jump into RStudio. So here we are in RStudio here. And I'm going to say import dataset from text. And then I'm going to browse to the file. So you remember that I'd put it in quiz data. There's my dataset there. So there's the full path to the file. And there's what the data looks like. I can change the name of it here if I want to. Or you can use this to sort of trim things. And then I'm going to click import. And so this runs some code. Here's the code that it's run. And there's the read CSV file that it's used to read it in. Now the path here depends on where your current path is in RStudio. So in my case, I'm in my 161122 folder because I have a RStudio project that has been loaded up, which has set the working directory for R to there. So the path to the file is then quiz data and then dataset. Okay. And so I can just type the name dataset here and can then do my plotting. So I can use my box plot with the x assigned to the x variable, and there it is there. So the answer, of course, is going to be 180-ish, which is this one here. Now you might want to know how to create an RStudio project. Now an RStudio project just assigns a folder on your computer such that when you load the project up, it sets that as the working directory. So you might want to do those for the quizzes perhaps, or for your assignment, or for anything else. And so you just go new project. And so I'm going to create one in a new directory. So it's just going to be a new project. Don't worry about any of this other stuff. And I'm just going to browse to a folder. So let's put it in my data folder, and we're just going to make a new folder called, so just going to put it in the data folder, and the directory name, sorry. So data folder, so that's the subdirectory that it's part of, and I'm going to call it stats quizzes. Just click create project. And so you can see here that I'm now in that path. So now if I save that data into that path, so if I go back to my quiz and I go save link as, and I browse to that folder that I just created, stats quizzes, and I save it there, then when I load up that RStudio project, the data will be sitting right there, so I can use a script. I can load my tidyverse. And because the data is just there, I can just use read CSV with dataset.csv. And that will spit it out, so I need to save that. So question 3. Okay, so now I've got the question 3 data, and so I could plot it with ggplot. There it is there, answer the question, done.